guys, so I'm going to show you all the products that I used for this look today. So I started off with our H2 Pro shampoo conditioner. This is our clarifying shampoo. I always start with the clarifying shampoo to get all of the buildup and everything off of my hair. Then I follow up with a hydrating shampoo and then the hydrating conditioner. So these are available on our site: shampoo, conditioner, and clarifying shampoo. I also use the marula oil. You don't need much, a little goes a long way, so I do a half a dab when my hair is damp, and then after I blow dry it, I'll do another one, or after I silk out. This is the blow dryer that I use, not H2 Pro, FHI. You can find it on their website, fhiheat.com. This is my good faithful flat iron that I've been using for years. It's H2 Pro. It's also available on our website. It goes up to $450. Today I did it on $390 because I knew I was going to be wanding right after, and I didn't want it super bone straight. I wanted a little texture to it. This is my wax stick that I love. I use this on my edges and yeah, my edges. And what else am I missing? Yeah. And then at the end, I use a light holding spray. It's by Pureology. I love this. It is the texture finishing spray. Super light hold, but not like a dry, stiff feel to it. So I sprayed that on here afterwards. As you can see, it still has some movement. And these are the products that I use. They're just amazing for your hair. You can see the shine. I straighten my hair all the time. It's still super healthy. I make sure not to use much products when I'm straightening. I use a little bit of that oil lightly, but other than that, I clean my hair. I straighten my hair on freshly cleaned productless hair for the most part. You can shop our website, www.studiotechilo.com. Let me know if you guys have any problems or difficulties with your day-to-day styling, and I'll answer below. Thank you.